Welcome back, everybody. Today we are making a autumn pumpkin bars. It's going to have pumpkin. It's going to have Granny Smith applesauce in it. This is going to be a perfect dessert for your Halloween parties, autumn festivals, even Thanksgiving. Recipes right down underneath in the description box, along with some baking items that you can find online. And let's go make these bars. Okay, we have our dry ingredients. This time I'm going to put it in a separate bowl from our mixer. We have 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda, teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a half a teaspoon of ground cloves. And we are going to mix all this together. Get that in this bowl. I'm going to give this just a little whisk to make sure you can see some of the clove is over here, just to somewhat even it out. It will make it easier on the mixer. Okay, I have our mixing bowl. We're going to put our wet ingredients in here now. We have 1 can of pumpkin, 15-ounce can. I'm going to throw that in there. We have 1 cup of Granny Smith applesauce. I used 2 little cups, 2 little cups that are separate, you know, travel cups. They're about 3.8 ounces a piece. So it's just shy under a cup. 4 eggs beaten. And a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're going to put this in our mixer and get that going. Okay, we have our mixer. We're going to put this on low. Get that going. Put my cover on there. And we're going to take our dry mixture and start feeding that in. Okay, 30 seconds, if that. There you have it. Look at that mixture. Okay, 9 by 13 pan. We're going to be baking this in, and to make life so much easier, we're just going to line it with aluminum foil. You want to be careful. You don't want to break this. Because that is where you're going to pick it up. Okay, now we just pour our batter that we mixed with the mixer into the pan. Okay, I'll give this a little shake, try to even it out. Make sure this is up on top. Okay, we're going to throw this in the oven for about 25 minutes at 350 degrees. Okay, it ended up taking about 40 minutes. I had to test it a few times. You want to make sure it's done all the way through before you take it out of the oven. What we're going to do now, it actually cooled down for about a half hour. I'm going to take this out of the pan and put this on a cutting board. Now look how clean that pan is. So there's literally, you can just wipe it out. Now you can cut them into any sizes you want. You can make them small, big, little bite size. So look at that. Pumpkin applesauce bars. Let's give these a try. This is like a sponge. It's very, very moist. Mmm. Pumpkin comes through. Applesauce is in the background. Nice sweetness to it. Just tastes like autumn. Very moist. Spongy flavor, spongy crunching. The top has a little crunchiness to it, not too much. But yeah, this is excellent for a fall dessert. So until next time, this is a Classical Gourmet wishing you happy cooking.